Time travel. Two words that instantly make us imagine the impossible. Jumping into a machine, pressing a button, landing in the past, or shooting into the future. It's a dream humans have had for centuries. A dream filled with mystery, fear, and endless questions. Hit subscribe and unlock the past. So today on ChronoGlobe, we're diving deep into the history, theories, and real experiments that make time travel more than just a fantasy. Let's explore the science, the legends, and the strange events that still confuse even experts. Time travel isn't only a movie idea, it has been part of human imagination for thousands of years. Ancient myths from Japan, India, Ireland, and Greece all include stories of heroes traveling through time. Some return to the present only to find that hundreds of years have passed. These stories show one thing: time travel has always fascinated us. Humans never stopped wondering, what if we could escape time itself? In the 1800s, writers made time travel even more popular. H.G. Wells wrote The Time Machine, a book that changed history. For the first time, people imagined time as a place you could travel through, just like space. This book inspired scientists, it inspired filmmakers, and it inspired millions of dreamers. Time travel wasn't just a story anymore. It became a question: could this actually be real? Then someone changed everything. Albert Einstein. In 1905 and 1915, he introduced his theories of relativity, and suddenly, time was not fixed anymore. It wasn't the same for everyone. According to Einstein, if you move very fast, time slows down for you. If you get close to something massive, time bends, time stretches, time changes. This means that time travel to the future is not only possible, it's happening right now. Here's the crazy part: every astronaut on the International Space Station is technically a time traveler. They move so fast around the Earth that time passes a little slower for them than for people on the ground. Not by much, just a fraction of a second. But still, that's real time travel. Proven, measured, confirmed. This idea is called time dilation. The faster you go, the slower time moves. If a spaceship could travel close to the speed of light, 1 year for the passengers could be 100 years on Earth. So when they return, they would arrive in the future. This is known as the twin paradox. One twin stays on Earth. The other travels in space at extreme speed. When the space twin returns, he's younger. The Earth twin aged much more. This is not science fiction. This is physics. So traveling to the future is possible in theory and has already been proven on a small scale. But what about traveling to the past? This is where things get complicated and much more mysterious. Einstein believed the universe had strange shortcuts called wormholes. These are tunnels through space and time. If one end of a wormhole moves fast or sits near something extremely massive, it could create a time difference. Enter one side and exit thousands of years earlier or later. The idea sounds crazy, but it's based on real physics, real math, real equations. But there's a problem. Do wormholes even exist? We've never seen one. We've never detected one. And even if they exist, we have no idea how to keep them open. Most would collapse instantly. Still, scientists continue searching, because if wormholes can be stabilized, they could connect two moments in time like a cosmic elevator. Another question scientists ask: even if time travel to the past was possible, should we do it? There are many paradoxes. The most famous is the grandfather paradox. If you go back in time and accidentally stop your grandparents from meeting, you would never be born. But if you were never born, who traveled back in time? Who caused the change? This creates a loop with no clear answer. Some scientists believe the paradox means traveling to the past is impossible. Others say the universe would fix the problem automatically, meaning you could go back in time, but you could never change anything important. Whatever happened, happened. Just like the show Dark says. This is called the self-consistency principle. But some scientists have an even stranger idea. It's called the multiverse theory. According to this view, every decision creates a new reality. If you travel to the past, you don't change your own timeline. You enter a different timeline, a different universe, a different version of history. This means the paradox disappears, but it also means time travel would create infinite possibilities. Now let's talk about real-life experiments. Because yes, some scientists actually tried to test time travel ideas. One of the most famous was conducted by Sergei Krikalev, a Russian cosmonaut. He spent so much time in orbit that he is technically 0.002 seconds in the future compared to people on Earth. It sounds small, but it is proof that time travel is real. Then we have the Haffele-Keating experiment of 1971. Scientists placed extremely precise atomic clocks on airplanes flying around the world. When the planes returned, the clocks had changed. They were slightly behind the clocks on Earth, exactly as Einstein predicted. Another real experiment is happening right now with particle accelerators. Inside massive machines like CERN, scientists accelerate particles to almost the speed of light. These particles age slower. They decay slower. Time literally slows down for them. This is real-time dilation happening every day. There's also a strange idea called the cosmic strings theory. Scientists believe there might be long, thin strings left over from the birth of the universe. These strings are extremely heavy and could bend space and time around them. Some theories say two passing cosmic strings could create a time loop. It sounds impossible, but again, it's based on real physics. But there's something even stranger. Some people believe we have already seen signs of time travelers. There are mysterious photos from the early 1900s showing people with modern-looking clothes. There are stories about the time-traveling man at the reopening of a bridge in Canada. There's the story of a man named Andrew Carlson who made perfect stock market predictions and claimed he came from the year 2256. Most of these stories are hoaxes, but some remain unexplained. Did people time travel, or were these just coincidences? No one truly knows. Even governments have explored time travel ideas. The CIA and other agencies studied time-related concepts during the Cold War. Some experiments focused on remote viewing, others on manipulating space-time using energy fields. Nothing official has been proven, but the documents show that the world's most powerful governments took the idea seriously. So the big question is, will humans ever travel through time the way we see in movies? The truth is, maybe. Time travel to the future is scientifically possible. We just need faster technology. Time travel to the past is still a mystery, but physics doesn't fully shut the door. There are possibilities. There are theories. There are ideas waiting to be tested. The universe is full of surprises, and we're still just beginning to understand it. Time travel teaches us something important. Even if we can't change the past, we can learn from it. Even if we can't see the future, we can shape it. And even if we can't travel through time like heroes in a movie, our memories, our dreams, and our curiosity make us all time travelers in our own way. Thank you for watching ChronoGlobe. If you enjoyed this journey through science and mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe,